Hi, I just wanted to let you know that since we've been talking so much about toppers, I needed to add that I am a huge alternative hair fanatic. Since I was diagnosed with frontal fibrosing alopecia, I've been looking for hair that made me feel like my old self, that when I put it on I could go, there you are. I love all things wigs and alternative hair. It's just that this topper in particular, the Raquel Welch top billing 18-inch, is what I wear on a regular basis because I am in front of people every week. So not everybody knows that I wear wigs. Maybe they do, but I don't know that they know, so I'm gonna keep it up. Anyway, I don't change wigs all the time. I know a lot of people do change their wigs maybe every day if they feel like it, and I want to be there, and I will someday, but right now it suits my lifestyle to find toppers or wigs that I can wear consistently with low maintenance and low cost to make me feel like me. And so I think that's the best way to figure out if a wig or a topper is for you, is just to look at yourself in the mirror and say, oh, is that me? Is this what I feel most comfortable in? I just want to bring you information so that you know that it's gonna be okay, and you're gonna find your wig and just jump into the videos. YouTube has so many informational videos about wigs, and if you're wondering about a specific style or color, you can search by that and it'll come up. The information is endless and the education is endless. I'm gonna do a short video on the people that I've learned from and the things that I just absolutely love to watch and have been so helpful. So stay tuned, and if you have found a wig recently that makes you feel like yourself, tell me about it. And I'd love to hear your stories, so please share your stories, because there are so many people in the world that are going through the same thing you are, and it helps them to know that they're not alone. I think that's all I have. Just don't give up, because it's lots and lots of fun, and it doesn't have to be so expensive. So leave comments and ask questions, and watch those videos, because they are so informational, and you'll feel so much better, and it's just an exciting world out there. You can be anybody you want to be, but it's so much fun when you find you again. Okay, thank you. Bye.